This is cool.
Yeah, this is home of the Santa Maria Valley 205.
Southern Pacific.
I've got a sweater on with holes in it. It's chilly.
Yeah.
Southern Pacific. See it?
Oh yeah.
The real look, there's several.
Oh.
Look at those. Those look like passengers.
Can we see the orange one?
Yeah.
Or
Oh,
not?
look at that old northern.
Oh, that is cool.
Here, I'll pull up and you can get out. And then, look at this old white school.
Kitty, that's not a good place to be sitting. Here's the turntable. There's a P&W. So.
Yeah, this is, you could drive down.
If we do go to Albany, or I mean the Amtrak station, are we? P&W trucks, P&W locomotive back there, more interesting stuff. Keep it rolling. That train company, or CN owns them now, but originally, or now, these BC rail cars are getting kind of hard to find, especially the lumber ones. So filming isn't the best right now. P&W units back down there. There's the P&W. And now I am walking back, as you can see. So, there's the P&W. So, we're gonna go to the Amtrak station in Albany, see if there's any action there. Here's a better look at the BC rail cars. So yeah, we're headed to Albany. We're in Albany, but we're headed to the Amtrak station now. I will film.
There it is. This is where we're going.
Yeah. I think this is the same.
Do we want to go there?
I don't know.
I don't think it's telling us.
Are we?
It's
I'm just gonna keep moving so then I can get the whole thing. I hear the Amtrak. Amtrak. Amtrak units. Siemens Charger. This is cool. This is cool. This is really cool. I've been this close to Amtrak, or I have been closer. But this is going to be a good video when it leaves. My uncle's with me today. Fun train uncle. And one of the Coast Starlights. Did you say it goes from LA to Washington, Seattle? So this train goes from LA to Washington, Seattle, and
So it's going to LA.
okay, so this one's going to LA, and it's two ALC 42s. So I'm gonna get in a good shot and get ready for the train to leave. Here we go, it's departing the station. This is a long Amtrak. Oh my goodness gracious, man. I gotta run. Dude, this is crazy. I'm running with this train right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Dude, that was quite the run. Here it is. Cascade unit. And it's Talga cars. probably gonna start going any second now. Got the train yard. Got a green signal down there. That is cool. That is cool. Running alongside a train, man. Nothing's cooler than that. Yeah. I'm gonna watch him knock down the signals. Okay.